Hello guys, you're watching my YouTube channel Finch Bird. I am Mohammad Shahzad and here is another good news. You can see, my god, I love this. This is my charcoal baby, similar like a dad. Very nice baby. This came out, see there. It's been 6 months, mashallah, by hard work to pair up this charcoal guy with another lady, and then I got the split babies, and then that baby, she's become a big lady, and then I paired up again with the dad, and today we have a healthy and nice charcoal baby. Hopefully it's a male, and you guys can see this guy is very active, mashallah, and very nice guy. I love, and I'm very happy to see this charcoal baby today. See guys, very nice. So now we will make a different mutations from this in the different other colors. This is an NG color of charcoal. You can see it's my favorite and dream. It's come true now. You can see this baby, very beautiful. I gave a egg food to mom and dad to, you know, see this guy. Now he's learning how to sit on the stick. See how beautiful it is. Very nice. I love it. Hey baby, you will learn. You're jumping and jumping again. Jump and you will learn again. See how beautiful charcoal is. This is a charcoal baby. These are mom and dad. They are again gonna lay the eggs, and hopefully we'll have some more charcoal babies. It's trying to fly and gonna go back to nest again. It's the dad, mom, the full family. I love this. Hopefully you guys like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you.